Okay, hi, my name is Sally Roque, and I'm going to present my invention today. I thought it was a good idea to talk about iPhones, these phones that have evolved over time and are really used by many people here in the United States and the rest of the world. So I'm going to start by the first question. It says, who invented it? The manufacturer is Apple and the inventor Steve Jobs, who was an American business magnate, industrial designer, investor, and media proprietor. He died in 2011. When and where was it invented? I'm missing an H there, sorry. So it was invented on January 9th, 2007. Apple Inc. CEO Steve Jobs unveils the iPhone, touchscreen mobile phone with an iPod camera and web browsing capabilities, among other features, at the Macworld Convention in San Francisco. So it was invented in San Francisco in 2007. What led to the invention? So iPhones, they have the functionality of a mobile phone, portable media player, game console, and handheld computer in a single device, so that it is popular with many types of consumers. Excuse me. So the iPhone was designed to be a super slick phone in Steve Jobs' mind. That's what he thought that it was gonna be. He saw the potential in the new platform, and so he just decided to create the new invention, the new phone. Is the product still in use? Yep, it's still in use. And now we have, I think the latest version is iPhone 12, right? So we have many other versions of iPhones, which answers the last question: how different is it compared to the first version? Over the past 10 years, Apple's iPhone evolved from a mobile device capable of running basic apps to a powerful computer with professional grade cameras. So we have computers, we have iPads, we have iPhones, we have Macs, we have many types of devices now that have been developed throughout the time. And so yeah, this is my presentation. Thank you.